You hear that?
Yeah. Is that a leak?
I definitely think that's a leak.
Oh.
So that's just, wow, that is a huge one, just like spraying right on that base right here. We've made an offer on this home. It's a newer 2-1.
2-2.
2-2. This is an older.
I don't know what this is.
Little bit of a, well, might be this around the same age. But this is a 2-bedroom as well?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
We don't know, yeah. But it's good to know the park manager, because once this comes out of eviction, we're going to have access to this one. Oh, thank you very much. A little bit of wood rot up here. See, the roof looks good. Central air system back there. It's nice when you have two that you're selling side by side, or at least in the same park, because then when people don't want one, they might want the other. If they don't have enough money for one, they want the other. If they're more handy, they don't want the one, they want the other. Let's just look through the windows. We don't have access to go through this one? No. Okay. Yeah, that's still.
Is it?
No.
No?
As investors, we definitely solve problems or for the right price. Jeepers.
That's kind of crazy.
Yeah. And it smells like a mobile home.
Maybe somebody's sleeping in there.
Probably.
Wow, really?
Realtor. Well, probably not now. But yeah, someone's in
Do you
here.
have your pepper spray?
Okay. Still though, I mean, as far as it looks pretty solid though. The rooms look good sizes. It's a pitched roof. You know, it's different if you have to fix up a 1960s home versus 1990s, or, I mean, it has a lot of potential. Now this looks like it's a gas connection right here, but maybe it goes into it, but it doesn't, it's capped off in there.
I think she does have a few gas.
Oh, might be a few. Okay.
I think she has a handful.
This might be it.
I'm scared.
I don't know if, yeah, you probably tell her that the window's open.
I'm scared over there. That is awesome.
The underside looks decent.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, clean. Okay. Okay, good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I like the shutters. It just makes it look nicer, like a real house. Doesn't that make such a difference? Maybe it's a girl thing.
No, you're right. Even though that they don't work or have any function,
Right.
it looks nice. This siding is nice. Oh wow, you were not kidding. Your description of this was it doesn't need any work.
I have to clean the rug. But yeah, it's.
Oh wow.
It's
Okay. Electric. Nice floor plan. Wallpaper keep. Do you know what year this is?
2000.
2000, okay. So this is wallpaper over drywall. It comes like this from the factory.
Yeah, that's what she said. She said that's her original wallpaper.
Oh, this is cool. Oh, it's a washer and dryer area.
It's open back here.
I feel like there should be a door right there. I guess the door's on the other
I wonder if
side.
she knows it's open.
Oh, it's open. Yeah. Well, everything looks good inside. It doesn't look vandalized at all.
Maybe it's not working. That's what it is.
Well, that's why we asked for such a steep discount. Just kidding.
Back door.
It's the back door. Oh, this is nice. Oh, interesting.
You did say something weird about the door. What is it?
You just can't open it.
Oh,
That's as much as you can open the
you
whole
can-
shower.
Oh, yeah.
Because these doors, it's like a full size. It's made for
it's a full size for a
shower, right? So you just got to be a kind of a tiny person.
Be skinny.
All right. Okay. Here we go. Good. Still want to get in, step around. Okay. Everything looks good. Probably wouldn't fix this.
You would?
No, probably would not. It's functional. It's okay. It's not ideal, and you can't be too big, I guess, to use that shower. No, everything looks good. No leaks anywhere on the ceiling that you found?
No, not that I could. There's
Okay.
a soft spot here. It's kind of like right here. You can feel it there. That's the one that he said that you could probably do anything underneath.
Yeah, I feel underneath would be fine. And the homes aren't that big. This is the whole width. You just slide underneath, then you can jack it up from right here.
It's crazy. It scares me. I mean,
I'll go from the outside before we leave and push it in. Yeah.
Okay. And then they said there's a pretty new unit in here too. I think.
Oh, excellent.
I'm pretty sure she said that.
Oh, good. Okay. Interesting. The breaker box is right there. This is nice. This is very nice.
Oh, look, there's the 2x4 trick underneath.
Well, that might be for a couple different reasons. Oh, and there's a little roach. Okay.
Critters.
Okay, we got the egg. That's weird.
What is it?
Some
Oh.
kind of egg? Like a weird, just random egg? Kathy, what do we do? That's so
snake
weird.
was here and I just
The snake. So there's a tear right back here.
That was bad.
That's okay.
Is it?
No, this is just all. It's not even. I mean, it's cosmetic, but it's barely even that.
Right.
I got those built-in spaces. So not a very large home, central heat and air, but a 2-bedroom. Nonetheless, this would still cash flow
Yeah, for sure.
at least $300 a month. This is a big room. Doors feel good. Yeah, this one is just so clean. I mean, this one needs nothing. This we just need to get it for the right price. So this is nice. This is something that you can just buy. This right here,
Oh.
and it's a door. Oh, well, there you go. It's a door, but it's made for just this. If you're going to fix and you need some sort of access panel to get to the water heater, you don't see it that often because people just sort of make their own drywall, plywood, hingey, ugly looking thing. But that is the right, that's the right
Are
thing.
they like standard or they make them like custom?
They make them all different sizes. And then you don't even need any tools.
Yeah.
Apparently, you don't even need any tools. You just slip it in there.
Oh, that's cool.
And ideally, it was
That's
be
really
screwed
good.
or glued in, but yeah. And then it is what it is. Partially taped. But this is nice.
There's one lady that said,
I mean,
she's kind of stopped talking to me, but she said she has 8,000 down and she can afford 600 a month.
and if she's not responding to you,
That's okay.
that's okay. And that's also, we are looking for people that respond. Common decency.
Yeah. Because my question was, are you talking about 600 total or 600? 600 with lot rent. That was my question, and then she didn't answer.
You hear that?
Yeah. Is that a leak?
I definitely think that's a leak. Here, you want to hold the, there you go. I'm going to take off if you want to keep that in focus. I think it's right here. I hear a leak. Just doing a walk around the perimeter. I want to find out what's going on. Wow.
Oh, look. I'm scared.
So let's see. Oh yeah.
Is it bad?
It's spraying.
What?
This is good when you're going inspecting a home. Taking off the vinyl like this is a wise thing to do. So you can see that spraying right there. And there's the hose spigot outside. So that's just, wow, that is a humongous, spraying right on that base right here, the cinder blocks. Granted, there's plastic underneath, but that could just sink right down. If there wasn't plastic there, it's still getting the ground wet and soft. So yeah, we should turn all this off, but just how long has it been like this? Just walking around and we hear this. So we're gonna go back here to the main shutoff where the water comes into the home. And there, a little spigot. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. And that should stop all the water coming in to the property so that we can get this water leak fixed. And then so we just turned that off and then all that spraying stopped. Also back here, we can see underneath the trailer pretty well. The insulation and the vapor barrier is sinking down. Oh, that's pretty heavy, but that's okay.
It's okay because?
It's okay. It's okay because it's not moving anywhere. If this was a colder climate, if there were a lot more holes, if the insulation was hanging down, the vapor barrier here is pretty intact.
Oh.
It's just that the insulation has fallen down.
Okay.
You could absolutely get up there and tighten it back up, tack it up, remove the insulation, put back new insulation. You can put plywood below the inside. I mean, like if this was your home and you were living in Alaska, you could button this up very, insulated a lot. Usually you can see insulation hanging down, but there's nothing like that. This is in really good shape. And even if there was insulation hanging down, it's on a case-by-case basis. HUD label, these are on all homes built after 76. They're not really on all of them because they're just riveted and people just steal these and use them for other properties. Or they're just, you put vinyl siding and people just vinyl side them over them. They don't take it off and put it on the vinyl. And so the outside of the home, this side could use a pressure wash.
So all the trees around here, right?
It looks like it. Good.
What do you think that's from?
Somebody spray painted this. Maybe it, you know what this might be, is that Flex Seal stuff that you see on TV.
Flex Seal is actually liquid rubber in a can. Flex Seal is perfect for roof repair and basement leaks. It's like a handyman in a can.
I think it's that. I think someone just sprayed that Flex Seal stuff over that.
Oh.
Didn't paint it, didn't do anything, to prevent like water coming in from there. Yeah, just sort of a half fix. Nice. This is a nice one though. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is definitely something that if we get it for the right price, let's do it.